Indubitably, allow me to paint a vivid picture of the rustic allure awaiting in Canada's verdant countryside. Picture yourself nestled in the quaint embrace of Mabou, Nova Scotia, a hamlet exuding warmth with around 1,200 residents. Here, amidst rolling hills and babbling brooks, agriculture reigns supreme, with fertile fields yielding bountiful harvests of potatoes, barley, and dairy delights. Imagine awakening to the symphony of chirping birds and the aroma of freshly brewed maple syrup, a testament to the idyllic charm of rural life. Embrace the tranquility of Mabou's embrace and savor the simplicity of Canadian hospitality. It's an experience unlike any other. Embrace the chance to study now, as your success solely depends on you. Seize the opportunity and let your determination and effort pave the path to knowledge and greatness. Remember, do the things to yourself because nobody else will. Title: Mastering the Art of Resume and Cover Letter Writing. A comprehensive guide in today's competitive job market. Your resume and cover letter are your tickets to success. They serve as your first impression, showcasing your skills, experiences, and personality to potential employers. To ensure your application stands out from the crowd, here are 3 main points to consider when crafting a stellar resume and cover letter. 1. Tailor to the job description. Begin by thoroughly reviewing the job description and identifying key requirements and qualifications. Customize your resume to highlight relevant skills and experiences that align with the job requirements. Use specific keywords and phrases from the job posting to optimize your resume for applicant tracking systems, Austrian shillings. Provide quantifiable achievements and results to demonstrate your impact in previous roles. 2. Formatting and presentation. Choose a clean, professional layout for your resume that is easy to read and navigate. Use clear headings and bullet points to organize information and make it accessible to the reader. Keep your resume concise, aiming for 1 to 2 pages in length, and prioritize relevant information. Use a professional email address and ensure your contact information is up to date. Proofread your resume carefully to eliminate any grammatical errors or typos. 3. Crafting an engaging cover letter. Address the cover letter to the hiring manager whenever possible, using their name and title. Start with a strong opening paragraph that grabs the reader's attention and expresses your enthusiasm for the position. Highlight your qualifications and experiences that make you a strong candidate for the role. Customize each cover letter to the specific company and position, avoiding generic templates. Conclude with a call to action, expressing your eagerness to discuss further in an interview. Now, let's delve into the specifics of creating an impressive resume and cover letter. Resume template. Your name, your address, city, state, zip code, your email address, your phone number. Objective summary. A brief statement summarizing your career goals and qualifications. Professional experience. Job title, company name, dates of employment, responsibilities and achievements, and bullet points. Job title, company name, dates of employment, responsibilities and achievements, and bullet points. Education. Degree, major, university name, graduation year, any relevant certifications or additional training skills. List of relevant skills, including technical skills and soft skills. Additional sections. Optional, volunteer experience, awards and honors, professional associations. Cover letter template. Your name, your address, city, state, zip code, your email address, your phone number, date, hiring manager's name, company address, city, state, zip code, dear hiring manager's name. Opening paragraph. Express your interest in the position and how you learned about it. Body paragraphs. Highlight your relevant experiences, skills, and achievements that make you a strong fit for the role. Provide specific examples to support your qualifications. Closing paragraph. Reiterate your interest in the position and express your enthusiasm for the opportunity to contribute to the company. Thank the hiring manager for their consideration and indicate your willingness to discuss further in an interview. Sincerely, your name. By following these guidelines and utilizing the provided templates, you can create a compelling resume and cover letter that effectively showcase your qualifications and make a lasting impression on potential employers. Now, let's shift our focus to mastering the English language, building upon the foundation we've established in the explanation of job searching. Exercise. Imagine you're a recent graduate from a university in Canada, and you're eager to kickstart your career. Describe 3 steps you would take to effectively search for a job in Canada. Consider factors such as networking, online job portals, and leveraging professional associations or alumni networks. Explain how you would tailor your resume and cover letter to align with the job requirements and showcase your qualifications. Additionally, discuss the importance of preparing for interviews and highlighting your unique skills and experiences. Share any strategies or tips you've learned from your job search journey. Description. Looking to land your dream job in Canada? Our sponsor, Canada Smart Mind School, offers affordable daily courses in English, French, and job searching skills for just 20 cents a day. With flexible options to fit your lifestyle, you can enhance your language skills and learn valuable job search techniques at your own pace. Don't wait for a miracle. Take control of your career journey today. Don't forget to leave your comments, like, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and resources. Find the links to Canada Smart Mind School below the video and start your journey toward success.